Hey, what's up everybody, Usama here. In this video, we're going to talk about the two widget styles that we have available for calendars in GoHighLevel. Now I'm going to talk about the differences between the two in terms of appearance, and then we're going to see which widget style might suit your business or use case better. So I'm in my GoHighLevel sub account, and for this video, I'm going to use an example for an onboarding call for this business. So this is a marketing company, and we send an onboarding call link to anybody who's basically coming into our marketing program. So we're going to look into the different types of widgets we have available and how that changes the appearance or anything else into the calendar. So if we head over to the customizations here for this calendar, you'll see that we have two calendar widget styles at this point. So we have Neo and Classic one by default. So if I preview this calendar right now, this is how the Classic looks like. Pretty simple and neat. It's much more concise. So it's pretty basic. So it would work for you if design is really not that important for you and you just want to prioritize functionality. But now let's say your marketing company does graphics design or they're into styling very nice websites. Now, if you go out with a calendar like that, that wouldn't really go along with your branding, right? So if you want to keep up with a good appearance and good visuals, you want to make sure that your calendar also looks awesome. And for that reason, the new widget style would really suit you because it will equip you with some more options where you can customize the calendar. So if I choose Neo, we have some options available. So we have primary color, background color, you can customize that, and then you can also customize if you want to show the title or if you want to hide it, and then the same goes for calendar description and calendar details. So if I have these settings dialed in, if I hit save, we'll see how it changes in terms of appearance first. So let's do a quick refresh and you'll see this is the Neo widget style. So this is much more modern, and of course it still looks basic in terms of colors, but that is where you can customize it. So if I go back to customizations here, I can play around with these settings. So let's say I want to go with the dark theme. So what I'll do is I'll make my primary color as white, and then for the background color, let's select black here, and I'm going to change the button text as well. So I'm going to go ahead with book appointment, and then you can also play around with these options. Usually these come into play when you are embedding these calendars into your website because you might have a heading already, which is more in sync with the fonts you have on the website, and you want to turn off this title because you've already mentioned it on the website. So in those cases, it might be helpful. For now, I'm just going to keep it turned on and then hit save. And then with these slide customizations, if I go back here and I refresh my calendar, and once this is refreshed, you can see the appearance has changed. So it depends on the branding. If you have a darker theme, if you want to choose custom colors, you can easily do that. And if I click on any of these buttons here and click on select, you can see that the button text has changed to book appointment, which was previously scheduled appointment. So these are little customizations that you can make in the Neo widget style, which is not available in Classic. So this really depends on the use case, but Neo is much more modern and gives you a lot more options to play around with. And then you can also synchronize it with your branding.